Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. It's me wearing this crisscross design Bubu gown. If you are interested in making this beautiful gown, please join me and let's do that together. Material needed for this: Ankara, Mikado fabric, and of course the fringe gold. And here is me. I'm ruling out a starting line for this. The gown length we are using is 65 inches. Here 3 inches width, then at the end come down by 2 inches, connect it like so. This will determine the slope of the shoulder. It's not the 3 inches width is not the actual width of the neck width. Then you'll see me at the 2 inches point. I have to come down by 13 inches. That's our sleeve opening. I'm connecting it to that 2 inches upward. Go inward by 3 inches. Next is to impute the hip measurement of 26 inches length. Then the next is my knee measurement of 42 inches. Here what we're going to do next, I'm going to rule out a line and you understand that better. And the next thing we're going to do, I have to connect the line. After that, we have to check the hip line and the knee line in between them, divide it into 2, mark a line there. Then after that, you connect it to a straight line. Here is where we're going to input our hip measurements. Alright, so now my hip measurement divided by 4 plus 4 inches. You have to mark it. Then I have to bring my gown close for you to see the remaining. I have to take it straight to the hem. That is the down part of it. Then at that inward 3 inches inward is where we're going to take our cowl shape. As you can see me, I have to slow down for me to show you this. Taking that to the hip measurement line and connect it. Our gown is folded into 2. Then at the upper side of it, I have to add 0.5 inches for the seam allowance. Next is to take my waist measurement of 16 inches and mark. As you can see, the 2 straps, they are the Mikado fabric that we're going to use for this crisscross design on neck. We have marked the waist measurement. This fabric Mikado will determine the length that we're going to use. Here 6 inches when folded, open it up 12 inches by weight, 43 inches by length. So that too. Now the next thing is to mark the 5.5 inches neck width. I can see this will determine that. Now I have to come in there and I'll waist 2.5 inches and connect the line to the 5.5 inches neck width. As you can see, the Mikado strap that I cut out is 6 inches and our neck width of 5.5 inches. And when you join them together, it will come to that 5.5 inches. So cutting process, I have to cut out, then cut the shoulder side. Next is to separate the front bodies from the back bodies and arrange them. As you can see, the right side facing the right side. We're going to stitch them at the shoulder 0.5 inches, and we're done it already. You can see the back part of this, and this is the front part of it. Here is where we're going to put our strap there. As you can see, the strap I used here is XS, the 2 straps, so you can be able to go through the whole thing. I have to mark 0.5 inches for the seam all through. Mark it with my chalk. This will help me to sew that on my machine. I can see I've pinned it all together. This is how you're going to crisscross it like this. Okay, first I have to put it on my dummy, measure my neckline depth like so. If you don't put it there, you might not get the actual flat measurement. And now this is how we crisscross it. Put it inside. Use a pin to hold it very well. On sewing that, before then we have to turn the back. I did the same thing at the back. Make sure that they are accurate. Then after that, I have to take this fringe, goat fringe, to design that. I've done that already by sewing that. You can stitch it inside. Stitching is what we did here, both front and back. Cut the excess. And when we are done with that, the other part of it, the back part, you have to do that the same. Next is to design this gown with gold fringe. As you can see, place it this way and top stitch it, and we're done. You can see how beautiful it is. The color of the gold fringe. Now the next thing is for us to hem the sleeve part. The sides, I put pocket on this particular one. The side, I have to stitch these two sides. And the final, the hem the down part of it. And our Bubu is ready. You can see me wearing the beautiful Bubu crisscross design. I have a purse that I'm holding right now with me, the bag. I have a separate tutorial for that. If you are interested, you will join me on that and watch more of my video. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.